Everyone. My name is Evelina, and I'm a career ambassador at Queen Mary University of London Career and Enterprise team. In this short video, I will show you how to access Student Circus as an international student at Queen Mary University of London. So let's get started. As you can see, I am already on the main website page of Student Circus. You can find this page by simply typing on Google Student Circus and accessing the first link. Once you're on the main page, you are required to press the login button. Here, you'll need to provide your university name, which for us will be Queen Mary University of London. After that, you'll need to communicate that you are a student at the faculty and press next. Then, if you already have an account with Student Circus, you'll need to log in, but as we are first people on this page, you'll need to sign up. Here you'll need to require your full name, which will be your first name and second name, then enter your university email, but you'll need to write your university email in the format of your first name, initial first name, then dot, then your last name, then at qmul.ac.uk. Then you enter a password of preference. Once you've done this, you'll get a confirmation on your email, which will give you a code to sign in for. After that, you'll get in. These are the steps we've gone through already. And you'll need to set up your account, which will be writing your nationality, saying if you've got a valid student visa or not, getting to write your expiry date, your degree level, your course name, if you're happy to enter this, personal email ID, which could be personal email, the one that is not your student email, of course, then your LinkedIn profile, and so on. Then you will be forwarded to your Student Circus. They might start with such as Career Ignition Hub, which you can start as a course, but more details are where we are in. Then we've got this when you're starting for the first time, saying welcome your name and what Student Circus can offer you. Then we will be on the main page, which is this one. Take, for example, my page. You will say something like, welcome, Evelina. This will be your main page, which you can access. This is a profile tracking at the top, which states things you need to do to make your profile as organized and as working as possible. Once you start completing all these profile tracking tasks, you get badges of honor, which are here at the top. Then we've got recommended jobs that suits you, and if you scroll down, we've got more recommendations, but more to follow. For example, here on Student Circus, you got your university logo. And if you're going through this board, you can go to jobs. And because when I signed up, I said that I prefer jobs in the business domain, it's giving me options based on my domain, business domain, such as summer internship, business analyst. This is all due to the preferences I chose when I signed in. Then we've got immigration guides, which are really useful, especially for international students, as it can answer to a plethora of questions such as, are dependents allowed on student visa, or can employers access benefits, and everything like that. Then we've got country guides, which is here to tell you about different job markets around the world. As you can see on this page, you've got a lot of markets. It will be your own market from the if you are in international students, or if you want to work in a different country after graduating, you can choose any of these. For example, let's take Spain, and then pressing job markets. And here will tell you everything at a glance about the job market. Then will be value of international degree in Spain, skill shortages and trends, and everything you need to do in order to get a role in Spain. Once we're going back at the top, we also got a CV builder, which is helping you with CVs from around the globe. Let's take Britain, for example, Canada, China, Australia, and many more. We got also in Ireland here, and every single other country, and the United States as well. This will give you guidance on how to complete your CV for job application in specific countries. Then we've got blogs as other option here on Student Circus. Once you're scrolling down, you can find a lot of blogs. Take, for example, student life. You've got 10 best student cities in the UK, or something as work shadowing, or 5 best banks for international students in the UK, or student hacks, how to get free money in the UK, and everything like that. Also, something I didn't mention is the CIAH, which is Career Ignition Hub. These are short courses, literally 18 minutes or 3 minutes, that are telling you how to do certain things in the UK. Take, for example, this one. How much initial capital do I need to start a business in the UK? Or resources for international students who want to start a business. I will let you go through at your own pace, but it's definitely having a look. Nice having a look. Also, if you are interested in offering feedback about your success story, the Student Circus highlights here that if you share your career success and get rewarded, Student Circus is giving away rewards worth £1,000. So this is our journey through Student Circus. As you can see, it's a valuable tool for any student, not only for international students, but I'll encourage every single international student to apply for. As a last point, last final remark, I will say that international graduates of Queen Mary University of London can access Student Circus within 3 years of course and date by emailing Career and Enterprise and getting a request link. Thank you very much.